Hey guys, today we're recording a roast battle. Today, look at that. Today we're gonna... Hey guys, today we're playing Block City while a roast battle is going on. We're here to watch a roast battle and chat. It's a fierce battle between the Legend Hawk and it's your fave Adam. Oh my word, just look at that insult. Just look at that. Just look at that. I'm so posting this. Ooh. As if I may record and post this on YT. Let's go. Let's go ahead and look at this chaos in chat. OMG! Another attack! I don't hate you, but if you were drowning, I would give you Roses are red, violets are blue, but I'm not with you. Not with you. Oh my word, this is only part of the roast battle. It's just so juicy. Who here? Okay, Kit Kat is just interrupting. Glow Stick has a brighter future than you. It lasts longer too. Yeah. Any of them can't think of a roast, it's a loss. Let's see. Let's record the entire battle. Let's see who wins. Just look at this. Ooh. Legend Hawk is just like thinking of a roast. Your brain is even smaller than a jellyfish. There's actually pretty good. There's actually big jellyfish. There's actually a big jellyfish. So that's not technically considered as a roast. So it just depends on the species. I mean, jellyfish don't have brain. Oh. There's actually big jellyfish. Well, his brain is smaller than a jellyfish brain. Roses are red. Monsters are green. Look at the mirror and see what you... Adam comes up with better rhymes than... Oh, hey Pupmel. Why do you look so greenish? Oh, the greatest! I'm just gonna record this entire roast battle. Hold on, I'm not even recording. Alright, I am. Okay, that's damageable in Chinese. You're so stupid, even swallows lose their way when you hear you. Roses are red, violets are blue. So many people are pretty. What happened to you? Ooh, Adam's coming up with the greatest rhyming roasts. You're so dumb. You repeat your roast lines. Ooh, nice roast battle. I'm roasting. There's a roast battle going on. Let's go. There's a roast battle. You're so dumb you repeat your roast lines. You too. Okay, that's very okay for me. Let's see who will come out at top. You're dumb. Why is he gonna lose? I don't have what What is Willy Coconut saying? Trying to record a roast battle over here. Do you know how hard it is to record a roast battle? Seriously, it's impossible to record a... Ooh. You look like that kind of person who spends their money on soda machines in hotel. You're so annoying that you made your Happy Meal cry. Technically, annoying people don't make people... Stop, everyone! This is a roast battle. This is a roast battle. I need to record. Oh my word, why the middle finger was invented in the first is, oh my word. Like, Kit Kat Meow, no offense, but maybe you should keep quiet because I want to record this roast battle. Ooh, that's a good roast. That's a good roast. I'm gonna keep these roasts in mind for next time I get in a fight. You're trying to... Ooh, Cooper, it's giving... You have a face that makes onions cry. Oh my word, I love this roast battle. I got so many flashy attacks. Great. I'm recording this roast battle. I'm recording Kit Kat. I'm recording this. This. Kit Kat, I'm recording this. So, please do not interrupt the roast. It's so juicy. Post on YT. To post on YT. Like, of course, I'm gonna post this on YT, of course. Have you throw a basketball? It moves away! Oh! He just got owned! Kit Kat, I'm recording this. Can you stop interrupting the... Hi. Okay, wow. People are just interrupting the roast battle. Please, I just want to record. Adam is still standing. He is ground. Oh, dude, they're like... Dude. You're so short, your name is Adam. Oh, sorry, did you interrupt? Did the middle of the sentence interrupt the beginning of yours? I didn't really understand that roast. Ooh, Adam. Adam's just doing all the roasts. Your bad personality is the reason why I like animals more. Your roast are so bad. ChatGPT doesn't even know them. Oh! Oof! That's gotta be a roast. Want to see a mom joke? Look in the mirror. That's what I have. I honestly think I would lose this roast battle. Last roast line now. Ooh. Let's see who's gonna come out at top. You are even more useless than the Q, you and Q. If you ever feel useless, just look at this. Just remember this guy exists. Just remember this guy. Adam responded. Ooh. Yay! You should take away the fame in your name because no one likes you. Ooh. I was today years old when I realized I didn't like you. Ooh, Adam's retaliating. Dude, this is just total. Okay, I gotta go now. Ooh, Adam won. I win. Yeah, let's go, Adam. Let's go. Let's go, my boy. Let's go. Let's go. The roast battle's done. Done for. Dunzo. Yeah. Finally, this is getting up. This is gonna get me so many views. This is gonna get me many views on YouTube. Yeah, should I stop recording? I stop recording. Because the battle's over. Yay, celebrating. Okay. Yay, Adam won. Shout out to everyone in the video, by the way.